Hey, hey! I'm going to show you how to have polite manners in the kitchen. Okay, so first, take this out of this fruit platter out of your fridge. And then, take out what you want with your hand. Like this. If you want ranch, there's that one thing that come out like this. And go for this one. And now for dessert, okay, I'm back. And now eat it with onion or that's a good idea. Take a fork and plate for this. Be right back. Okay, got a plate. Plate is plate under the table. Put down the ice cream. Take your fork. And now see those cracks? Eat the most. More. Keep stirring it. That's all for today. See ya!